Another critical element that Ramsey points out is the importance of rebuilding your emergency fund if you ever need to use it. Life happens, and there will be times when you need to dip into your emergency fund to cover a genuine crisis. If this happens, your top priority should be replenishing that fund as soon as possible. This is where the discipline comes in again. It might mean tightening your budget, cutting back on discretionary spending, or even picking up extra work for a while. The goal is to get that emergency fund back to where it needs to be, so you're always prepared for the next unexpected expense. In the Total Money Makeover, Ramsey makes it clear that anyone, regardless of their income level, can build an emergency fund.